Hey chippers, now that we've got our box framed out and we've got it squared up, we're going to take these, take 4x4, we're going to cut 4 corner pieces to put in the box to give us some added support. So I've dug down with a post hole digger and found and measured, and it's 14 inches. So we're going to measure out 14 inches right there. We're going to mark it. Take our combination square, put our combination square on our line, there's our mark. We're going to mark that across. And that's going to be our cut. So get this all lined up, make sure that we're square, hand out of the way, safety glasses on. Alright, so this is going to be our corner post that we're going to bury partially in the ground and screw it together to hold the box in place. So come on up to the box up in the garden. Have our screws. Put that in there. And this one's already ready to go over here, so we're going to go ahead and put this one in. Couple screws in it to square it up. Last one in here. Alright, and then I'm going to go around and do all the rest of those, and we'll square it all up and we'll be ready to go. We'll see you in the shop.